Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go here to the Google folder and find the Gmail application. Now just here tap on the right upper corner to this icon, and as can you see, we are logged into Gmail accounts at the moment. Now just tap here to the manage account on this device and go here to the Google section. Yes, as can you see, we got here the two accounts. Now just tap here to the, for example, you wanna log out from this second account, just tap here and right there tap to the more icon, and here tap to remove account and just confirm to remove that. So as can you see, right now we got here just one account, and if you go back you can see here also just one account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.